Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm doing an unboxing on the Yaheetech elegant brown queen bed frame. Well, now that it's all made, you guys, you can see it's just a pretty bed. And what I like is that it's super sturdy. There's no noise, like it's not squeaking. Come over here to the headboard. It's sturdy. It's not making any squeaking noises. Get on the bed. There's no squeaking noises or anything like that. So it's just nice and sturdy, comfortable. Oh, after a long day of assembling beds, you can just relax. And if we hit our head on this, it's nice and sturdy. It's not going to hurt. So a couple things I want to point out real quick though. Once again, just the headboard is a really nice feature. The dark brown goes with pretty much anything. Said it's nice and soft. Not going to hit your head on this, get hurt. So like I was saying about the adjusting the mattress, if you have a thinner mattress, a little bit of a thinner mattress, and so it's a little bit higher up here, the headboard, so your pillows might slip down. So then you could just adjust these screws right here, just drop it down, and it'll be a nice fit for your mattress. Another thing is what I really liked about this was just these like pipe fittings. I know I'm pointing this out again, but I really like how it looks. It just looks like rustic. This is a solid bed. It's all metal. It's not like making a lot of noise or anything when you're sitting on it. It just has a real sturdy feel to it. You can also adjust these. So if your bed you need to be perfectly leveled or anything like that, these can be adjusted to different heights up to like almost an inch, it seems like. And another thing I wanted to point out is it has a foot of room underneath your bed also. So if you have these little storage boxes or other bins, it allows you to put a lot of stuff underneath your bed. And it's a good height too. So some beds are really low, and if you go to sit in the bed, it's difficult to get in and out of the bed. This is about the perfect height where you just sit down, and when you put your feet off the bed, it just reaches the floor nicely. So nice height to get in and out of bed, and also good for storage underneath the bed as well. So that's it, my friends. The Yaheetech Elegant Brown queen-sized bed frame. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, my friends.